Everybody, palaka! Likod po nyo, likod po nyo, likod po nyo. Problema yung gagawin natin. Michelle, get ready, ha? Get ready lang, Michelle, ha? Take my command, hold the recipe board. Take my command, center carry. Unang ng kamay, check of t-shirt. Kita nyo, may picture. Huwag mo pahirapan ang sarili nyo. Sure, nagiging two. Okay, pa-shaking nyo, tingnan nyo, ha? Please lang. Take man. Marching position. Marching. Una sa kamay, huwag ganon. Okay na kayo, nakahang kasing gusto eh. Check the patient, ha? Hindi na herpes lang. Check the patient. Hey, mga naman, mabilis na mabilis. Shoulder carry. Marching position. Ay, pagkagal. Center carry. Marching position. Shoulder carry. Nakakaalala na. Take my command. Center carry. Luhod kaliwa, luhod kanan, palakpak ang walo, resting position. Move. Luhod. Palakpak. Check the patient. Check the patient. Okay. Take my command. Center carry. Shoulder carry. Are you ready for arrow position up? Kung magbigla, maniliwan ha? Magbigla. Take my command. Batch 3, 8, 9. Arrow position! Ha? Take my command. Shoulder carry. Arrow position up! Shoulder carry. Up! Shoulder carry. Shoulder. Center carry. Resting position, palakpak! Sarap ng palakpak yun, pasyente nyo. Okay. Take my command. Center carry. Shoulder carry. Arrow position up. Picture. Shoulder carry. Center carry. Resting position. Palakpak. Take my command. Arrow position up. Shoulder carry. Ladies and gentlemen, right now we are at batch 389 together with TPO and Civilian Authority and Civilian NPO. Okay, natin. Kaya ba? Check nyo muna yung pasyente nyo po. Baka naman nalihuli mo na yan. Ha? Okay. Take my command. Tama na, mahihilo yan. Take my command. Center carry. Everybody, take my command. Palaka. Release the patient. 10 minutes break. Congratulations!